Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of OnePlus Nord 2. So on the front we have Nord branding and OnePlus logo like this. You can open the box and first you can see OnePlus Nord 2 looks really stylish in this green woods color. You can also see OnePlus logo and the camera module. Very stylish and premium looking phone. After the phone you can see this small cardboard box, and inside the box you have this small lid, and inside the lid you can see SIM ejection tool and documentation like one note from OnePlus team, membership card for Red Cable Club, quick start guide, safety information guide, and also few stickers of OnePlus and Nord branding. After the documentation you can see this transparent back cover which will going to protect your phone. Here is your USB Type-C cable for charging, and at last we have 65 watts of fast charger. So that's all you get inside the OnePlus Nord 2 box.
Introducing the OnePlus Nord 2 5G in color blue haze with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. The smartphone comes in 4 color variants of blue haze, grey Sierra, green woods and Pac-Man. You will get 2 memory options of 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The smartphone supports dual nano SIM connectivity along with dual 5G support. The OnePlus Nord 2 5G flaunts a 6.43 inches fluid AMO LED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The 20:9 panel has 90Hz refresh rate and 410 ppi pixel density. It also supports sRGB and Display P3. You can unlock the device with your fingerprint or face. The smartphone features an AI triple rear camera setup with Sony IMX766 50MP primary sensor, 8MP sensor and 2MP sensor. The main camera supports 4K video recording at 30fps and 1080p recording at both 30fps and 60fps. You can take high-quality selfies with 32MP front camera that also supports 1080p video recording at 30fps and 60fps. You can also record slow motion and time-lapse videos. The smartphone runs on Oxygen OS 11.3 operating system based on Android 11. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, this OnePlus smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. The dual-cell 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures that your smartphone offers long-lasting usage. You will also get Warp Charge 65 fast charging that can boost up your smartphone for a day's charge within just 15 minutes. The box includes USB cable, adapter, phone case and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card in net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product details.